Kia ora tātou katoa, e te whānau o te rōpū o Patua, te taniwha. A ta Māori e tamanui te rā. So we're here to do he wero tuarima mo te preheats, number 5, te whare tāpere. So, experiences, I'll just go through a short experiences of being in the entertainment room. So to entertain, so us Māoris, we like to entertain, and probably agree with me that we've all got huge, massive, fond memories of waiata and the whare. And I know for myself, my mother and father used to party all the time when we were kids. A lot of people on this page will probably resonate with that, and the old guitars get out. So my memories are of that when I was young. My mother and father would have all the whānau over and they'd just be singing and laughing and yeah, some really, really good memories. So just got my daughter here and we're just going to play a waiata for you. And yeah, she's going to do some extras for you. Yes. Alright, here we go. So that was our wero tuarima mo te whare tāpere. So I'd just like to say thank you to everyone on the page. Let's keep it going, whānau. Going to smash through the wero and then get on to the next one. So kia ora whānau. Ngā mi nui a koutou mā. E maki ana. I tēnei rā. Kia pai tō rangi nei. Kia pai tō koutou rangi nei. Ka nui taku aroha i a koutou. Kia ora whānau.